Hey Jonathan, it's Grant with Blue Digital Solutions. This is that quick video that I told you I was going to shoot you real fast. So what we're going to be going over is pretty much the two biggest competitors. Looks like they're in Nashville, which is going to be this company right here, Nashville Roofing Company, and then also Music City Roofers. So we'll kind of dive into kind of what they're doing right, and what we can do to mimic it and get you up there as well, and hopefully pass these two companies. I'm really not going to look at their websites, but what we'll do is we'll target something similar to their website. Obviously, it'll be your own layout and everything like that. But we'll go after probably the same services and stuff like that, as long as you cover all these. Maybe not porches and decks and stuff, but at least the residential and commercial roofing, metal roofs, shingles, stuff like that. Like I said, so we'll be able to design your site however you want it to look, but it'll be very similar to these, or at least this one here. But what I do want to look at and kind of show you is what they're doing kind of behind the scenes, their metrics and stuff like that. A lot of this stuff's not going to mean anything to you, but this DR and UR, that's the power and trust that these websites have with Google. This is going to be the power here. This is one of the main things we want to focus on. It's a scale from 0 to 100. The higher the number, the more powerful your site is, and the higher you're going to get ranked on Google. The lower the number, obviously the reverse. But so as you see here, the competition is really weak. They have a 3. They have 53 referring domains, which that's not really something that you need to focus on, but that's the stuff we're going to use to actually help rank your website and get it to the top of Google. 53 is a very low number, so it's going to be very easy to top. But what I want to pay attention to here is the keywords that they actually rank for on their website, and then how many people they're actually bringing to their website because of those keywords. So you see right here, out of 133 keywords that they're actually ranking for, they're bringing 262 people per month to their website. So that's a pretty good bit of people. And then this number here that you see here is how much it would cost them per month if they were doing pay-per-click with Google Ads to receive these 262 people. So they're getting $6.4 thousand a month in free advertisement now, just being that they're ranked at the top. So you can see how that investment is probably paying off for them. But let's look at their keywords. So these are some of the keywords that we'd be able to go after and hopefully get you ranked for as well. So here's the key phrases or words. This is how many people are actually searching it per month. And this is the position that they're at on Google. And then this is how many people are actually coming over to their website from typing this keyword in. So, Nashville Roofing Company, there's 350 people searching for it. They're getting 110 people to come over. Granted, it is their name, but being that you can't brand this, we can target that keyword as well, so no big deal. But they're in the number 1 position. They're getting 110 people per month to visit their website just from this keyword. So now we go through and we look at the rest of these. Nashville Roofing Contractors, 200. Roofing Companies Nashville, spelled wrong, so we target that. But there's 150 people looking for it. Nashville Roofing, 50. Nashville, Tennessee Roofing Companies, 300. Roofing Nashville, 100. So you see there's quite a lot. I mean, it keeps going, 200, 190, 150. So these would add up, to probably, 1,000 to 1,500 people searching every month for a roof. So if we can get you on that number 1 spot, you're going to get a lot of exposure and you're going to get a lot of phone calls as well, and hopefully grow your company. But you can kind of see this is where we do a lot of our research at and figure out what keywords that we need to target. So that way we can actually target it and make sure that it's going to pay off. Make sure that people are actually searching for it, so we're not just making some random keywords up that people aren't even looking for. Then we go over here and we go to look at Music City Roofers. This is going to be the number 1 competitor here. As you see, they only have 69 of these referring domains I spoke with, so it's still easily beatable. Their DR is only a 9. So we can easily outdo them. But now let's go look at their keywords. They're ranking for 614 keywords. They're bringing 429 people a month to their site, generating $8,000 worth of traffic. So let's look at their keywords. So we go to look now. It's a lot of the same ones we've seen. Here's now some metal roofing. So you see there's people searching for that. Commercial roofing. You see there's people searching for that. But the sky's the limit. There's a lot of terms that we can go after here and get you ranked on to really be able to grow your business. And then talk about this real fast. This is one of the highest ranking keywords, has the most search volume anyways, Nashville TN Roofing Companies. So I went ahead and typed it in to see what this area looks like, because this is, we want to get you up here, and then we also want to get you up here. So this is going to be kind of the competition that we're going to be working with here, which kind of stiff, being that they have 116 reviews and 195 reviews. That is not the end-all be-all on how you get ranked up here. There's obviously some other things that we can do to get you up there, but these are going to play a big part. So from here on out, we're going to have to get reviews. That's going to be one of the big things that we're after if we're going to do this. Is every roofing job trying to get reviews, and I have other ways to go about it as well. But that's going to be one of the biggest things that we're going to have to tackle is the reviews, because I can manipulate all the other things out there, but it's kind of hard to manipulate the reviews. But one of the easiest ways to get ranked up here in these top 3 spots is getting your website at the very top, because if your website's up here at the top, it's going to help push this Google My Business listing up towards the top as well. And then something called citations, which most of these people don't do. Citations are nothing more than directories, getting your name, address, and phone number listed in directories. We go out and we put you in about 350 different directories right off the spot, so that's something that's just going to blow these companies out of the water, because I can assure you they haven't done that. And I have ways to see kind of what they're doing, so that way we can make sure that we beat them as well. But this is kind of just a quick snippet on what we're able to do for you. Like I said, we can design your website any way that you want. So, whatever, if you have something in mind, we can easily, bring that to life. And then just kind of what you're able to expect, if you were to invest in, some SEO, which is the search engine optimization, which is ranking your website to the top. But you can see kind of the numbers here on what you could expect to have come to your website, if we could get you up in that number 1 spot. But if this is something you're interested in, let me know. I'd love to put together or talk with you just a little bit more, even if it's over the phone before we meet. That way we can kind of learn a little bit more about your business and then be able to put a scope of work together to, take you to where you want to be, and then stay within a budget that you might have. So if you're interested, let's chat. I look forward to speaking with you. Thanks. Bye.